Here is a quick introduction to the relationship module of Mark2Cure. In the middle of the home screen is a list of relationship extraction tasks. Click on one of them to start. Observe the three boxes near the top of the page. The left box and right box represent named entities that appear in the abstract text below. These boxes are color-coded to represent different concepts. Blue indicates a disease. Green indicates a gene, or the protein associated with a gene. Pink indicates a drug or treatment. You must first decide whether the text inside the box is labeled with the correct concept. If the labeling is incorrect, click the X in the upper left corner of the box and then click the Submit button. This will record your identification of the incorrectly labeled text entities. There's a bug in the current version of the relationship module which sometimes prevents you from clicking on the X to signal that the entity text is incorrectly labeled with a concept. Later, I will present a temporary workaround to deal with this problem. If the left box and right box contain meaningful text values and the correct colors, then click one of the choices in the middle box to indicate the correct relationship between the left box and the right box. So we're interested in whether or not, for this particular article, whether or not galactose is related in some way to endocrine abnormalities. Let's examine the text. Reading the text, we see that galactose is related to endocrine abnormalities. And we decide that galactose may treat endocrine abnormalities. So we click this choice and then click the Submit button. Here is a synopsis of what previous users have decided about this particular choice. So 50% of the users have determined that galactose may treat endocrine abnormalities. However, it's not a universal consensus. Click the Next button to go on and continue. Continue in this fashion until you've completed all of these decisions.